Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you a Unity effect that can freeze game objects. You can gradually, dynamically, or on command freeze any object, perfect for game mechanics such as magic spells, time control, or environmental changes. It comes with the following main features: 1. Fully controllable freezing and unfreezing process via scripts. 2. Adjustable speed, color, and frozen material properties. 3. Supports URP, HDRP, and the built-in render pipeline. 4. High performance, minimizes impact on frame rate even in complex scenes. 5. Easy to use and integrate into existing projects. 6. Lightweight, optimized, and mobile-friendly. 7. Includes a demo scene and documentation. As always, I've placed the purchase link for this tool in the video description. I hope this effect can be helpful for you. Creating content isn't easy, so please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.